Hey everyone, it's Kelly here. Welcome to my blue YouTube video. I almost said BlueTube. My YouTube video, which is BU. That is my company name, BU LLC. And in the description, you can check out my webpage to see all the different services that I offer, and also check out my Etsy. There you can find some really cool, unique tarot that's like out of print. You can also find one-of-a-kind sun catchers and jewelry that I make personally. And then also I make my own angel oils and a whole bunch of other things is on there. And so hop on over. I will have that as well in the description so that you can go check that out. All right, so here we go. This is unboxing emotional healing cards. So Nicole Green is her name. That is the box here. There's 40 cards in this deck. I got this at Half Price Books. So something that's unique is that her guidebook is hardcover, which you don't really find hardcovers, so that's pretty awesome to have that. But it is pretty small, but it is cool that it is a hard book, guidebook there. All right. The cards has some uniqueness to it as well. So they are longer and skinny. So they're long and skinny. They're pretty flexible. I'll show you the side here. There's 40 cards here, so that's pretty good. I don't think that. There we go. All right. So this changes. It's not the same. Every one of these have different backgrounds of the cards. So that's really, really neat. However, this, I'm pretty sure these stay the same. You have the purple and then everything's in white. So you flip the card, you get what it's about, and then she gives you this, a whole bunch of stuff. Some have much more than others. But yeah, so everything's kind of like in the card, on the card. But she does go into more, I guess, detail in the guidebook. So some of these are the same, as you can tell. We haven't switched out of this flower one yet. But you'll see it. Trying to think what year this was, because I got it at Half Price Books. I do believe I got it last year, but that is not normal where I will check that out in a second. But for some reason, 2019 is coming up. So all right, and now it's starting to change to something different. So I'm going to flip this real quick and just kind of have it like that. I'm going to real quick give you guys the year that this was out. 2015. So this is not new, but it's new to me. And that's why I love Half Price Books, everyone. You can find some really very neat tarot and oracle decks there from around the world. It's really amazing. Yeah, I'm sorry, my camera. I'm noticing with the gloss, the camera is having a hard time focusing. There we go. Okay, too close up. And I forgot to mention that, yeah, there is a high gloss. I normally tell you what kind of gloss there is. But yeah, this is definitely a high gloss. Alright guys, that's my unboxing emotional healing cards. Please like and subscribe to my channel. There's going to be more videos just like these going through all my Oracle and Tarot decks. If there is an Oracle or Tarot deck that you want me to feature in my video, just in the comment section, give me the name and who's it from. And I will check, and if it's one that I have, I will feature it on my video for you. Alright, everyone have a great day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!